Tasi!
Hello, little learners! Are you ready for a great new letter? It's the grinning letter G. Can you say it with me? G, 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 G. This is uppercase G. G is the 7th letter of the alphabet. Great job! This is lowercase g.
G is for goat who dances with glee. Grapes on the vine as sweet as can be. A gift with a bow all shiny and new. G is a letter that's great fun too.
Let's trace the letter G in the air. Around and curl in. Just like that. Great tracing. G is great and full of giggles. Let's wave goodbye to goat, grapes, and gift. See you next time.